Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification. Driving through Bulawayo, you can't miss them. Those giant cooling towers rising above the skyline like guardians of the city. They're more than just concrete and steam. They're actually part of Bulawayo's story. The Bulawayo Power Station, built in the 1940s and expanded in the 50s, was one of Zimbabwe's earlier major electricity plants. Back then, it powered factories and homes, literally fueling Bulawayo, the city of kings, and even today, those towers remind us how this beautiful city became an industrial heartbeat of Southern Africa. For locals, these towers aren't just part of the skyline. They're a backdrop of everyday life. Artists will paint them and photographers will frame them, and drivers like me pass them daily without even realizing they're cultural icons. They represent hard work, community, and the unmistakable Bulawayo grit. Generations grew up seeing that steady column of steam, a quiet promise that the lights would stay on. Parents who once worked here talk about night shifts, teamwork and pride. The station became a symbol of progress, proof that Zimbabwe could actually build, create and power its own dreams. Even as technology moves forward and renewable energy takes the spotlight, there's something really grounding about these towers. They remind us that history doesn't have to disappear for us to evolve. The towers stand as a bridge between the past and the future, and a monument to resilience and innovation. So, next time you drive past Bulawayo Power Station, I want you to look up because it's more than just an old structure. It's a reminder that every city, just like every person, is built on energy, endurance and heart. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you have any stories to share? Do these power plants actually remind you of anything? I'm curious to know. Please share in the comments. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep discovering what makes Zimbabwe shine. My name is Cece, your Missdivalicious. See you in the comment section and in the next vlog.